In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to legally save money on Replit Core and Teams plans in 2025. First, let's set clear expectations. You can't get a Replit Core or Teams plan for free permanently. That's not something Replit offers, and any source claiming lifetime free access is not legitimate. What you can do, however, is lower the cost through official discounts, limited time promotions, trials, or educational benefits that Replit and trusted partners make available. As of 2025, the core plan usually runs about $20 to $25 per month, and the Teams plan is around $40 per user per month. Keep those figures in mind so you can recognize when a discount is actually saving you money. Start by checking for official promotions. Replit occasionally runs limited time deals, and these are fully compliant with their terms. Look at Replit's own announcements, in-app banners, or their social channels. Promotions change, so it helps to check periodically rather than just once. Next, look for legitimate promotional codes from trusted partners. A common example is Freelance Stack, which sometimes publishes codes for developer tools. If you find a code, apply it during checkout on Replit. Codes may have expiration dates, geographic limits, or usage caps, so read the fine print and verify the source before relying on it. If you're a student or educator, educational programs can be the biggest win. Depending on eligibility, these programs may grant free or heavily discounted access to premium features for a limited period. You'll typically need to verify your status through an accepted method, then activate the benefits on your Replit account. This route is official, time-bound, and one of the most reliable ways to reduce costs without cutting corners. Trials are another legal option. When a trial is available, activate it to explore the features you actually need. Set a reminder before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue or cancel, and use that trial period to test real workflows, not just click around. That way you'll know if the plan justifies the price. A quick note on Teams. The stated price is per user per month, so plan your team size accordingly. If you're experimenting, start small and scale as you confirm the value. Finally, avoid any offers that promise hacked access, cracked accounts, or lifetime unlocks. Those risk your data and violate Replit's terms, and they're not worth it. Follow these steps, and you'll use only official, legal avenues to keep your Replit costs as low as possible.